All right, this is a short video about isomers. In the text, isomers is defined as a compound or compounds that have the same chemical formula but a different structural formula. Now, what is meant by chemical and structural formula? What you're looking at on the screen, that's a structural formula. That's actually drawing out the geometric shape of the molecule with the atoms identified. A chemical formula, and for these three isomers, you can see it right up here, move it down a bit, C6H12O6. If you took the time to go through and count all of the carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens in each of these structural formulas, you would see they all add up to this chemical formula, C6H12O6. But if you look at the structural formulas, you see that they're very different. Well, at first glance, you see that fructose is very different because you can see here it is a pentagon. It's 5 corners. One corner is oxygen, the other ones are carbon. But glucose and galactose are both hexagons, they're both 6-sided. And you could also look at the left side of glucose compared to the left side of galactose, and you see that they're basically the functional groups have just been flipped. You've got hydroxyl on the bottom for glucose, but in galactose it's on top. And it's exactly the same thing on the right-hand side. You've got hydroxyl on the top for glucose, but for galactose, it's on the bottom. Otherwise, everything about those two structural formulas is exactly the same except for the side groups. And so that is what an isomer is. Same formula, different structure.